Today we will tell you about Hark, its smart reading device made for blind and low vision users. With Hark, you can listen to printed text like letters, newspapers, or books. It reads everything out loud in a clear and simple and natural voice. It's simple to use. Let me show you how. Hark comes in a strong shoulder bag. Inside the bag, you will find a power charger, USB-C to C cable, remote control keypad, and a user manual. Hark is light and portable. Its weighs about 1.5 kilogram. Its size is 13 inches long, 9.8 inches wide, and 2 inches high. The battery works for up to 10 hours. First, take the Hark device out of the bag. Place it on a flat table. You will find a magnetic remote control on top of the device. It's attached to the body. Now gently lift the neck of the device. On the left side, you will find the charging socket, power on off button, and a headphone jack. On the right side of a device, you will find an HDMI port to connect visual monitor, USB port, two buttons to increase or decrease speed. On the front side, you will find back button on the left, volume slider in the middle, play pause button on the right. On the neck of Hark,
Please place your document.
you will find two
Please
speakers.
place your document.
At the top of the neck, there is a camera and an LED light. Now press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. You will hear a few beeps. And then a voice will say, please place your document. Take your printed page like a letter, book, or document and place it face up on the base. Now you will hear a shutter sound. That means Hark is taking a photo. Hark will start reading the text aloud in a few seconds. It works even without the internet in both Hindi and English. Now here is a live reading sample of this product.
Place your document. Lee, Life's Amazing Secrets. Someone, it is easy to fall into their sorrowful energy, which perpetuate their suffering. It's important that we bring positive, non-judgmental energy into these conversations. Where do I start? Wherever you feel comfortable, I whispered. I'm listening, he sighed and then began. Only a fool would say that he is not happy while
तरह रहा हूँ और उस दिन की यादों में भव्य जीवन का आनंद लें। रहस्य के ज्ञान और आकर्षण के नियम को जीवन की हर क्षेत्र में लागू किया जा सकता है। ये प्रक्रिया हर उस चीज पर लागू की जा सकती है जिसे आप पाना चाहते हैं। इसमें स्पीड इंक्रीज्ड है। इट्स स्पीड इंक्रीज्ड। इसमें पैसा भी शामिल है। पैसे को आकर्षित करने के लिए आपको दौलत पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना जीवन में ज्यादा पैसे पाना असंभव है।
Hark AI also gives many smart features with just one button. It can tell you what type of document, image you have placed on the device. For example, it can say if it's a letter, bill, photo, or something else. So basically, it gives you short description about what is inside the document, what kind of document it is. Hark AI can also scan barcodes, QR codes to identify products. It can even read handwritten documents in both Hindi and English. Now here is the sample of handwritten documents.
Image description. The image appears to be a handwritten list or document, possibly a bill or receipt. The text is in a cursive style and covers various items, quantities, and amounts. There are no human faces visible in the image. 8. The 21st of December 2023 father to son Elizabeth Jennings theme occurs. Another theme of the poem is the generation gap, which communication link between two generations breaks due to a mutual lack of understanding, tolerance and acceptance. That poem was the child's perspective and struggle to understand himself. This
इमेज डिस्क्रिप्शन ये है कि हिंदी में लिखा गया पृष्ठ है जिसमें कुछ महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी है, लेकिन ये किसी बिला रसीद नहीं है। हम आज हार्क का हिंदी हैंड राइटिंग का टेस्ट कर रहे हैं। आज हम देखते हैं कि ये हार्क का लिखा पढ़ पाता है या नहीं। देखते हैं टेस्ट कामयाब होता है या नहीं। एंड ऑफ टेक्स्ट।
Another helpful feature is translation. Hark can translate your document from Hindi to English, English to Hindi. Now here is the sample of English to Hindi.
इमेज डिस्क्रिप्शन ये हिग्स कनेक्टेड स्ट्रिप लद्दाख का एक पृष्ठ है जो किसी वैज्ञानिक या प्रौद्योगिकी विषय पर केंद्रित है। संवेदनशीलता से बात करते हुए पैसा कंपनी को मेरे पास रखना पड़ता है जब शुरू नहीं जहाजों में करना पड़ता है कैसे टामैक में चिल्हन।
Now sample of Hindi to English.
image description. The image appears to be a printed document or receipt containing text in a language that looks like Hindi or a similar Indian language. The text appears to be a detailed listing of various items, quantities, and associated costs. This suggests that the document is likely a bill or receipt for a commercial transaction. 60 equals 111201009 planets, 365 days in a year, 30 days in a month, 7 days week, whether it is measuring distance or weight, whether it is transaction, getting salary or rent, everything is a web of numbers. There are
Hark AI can also save multiple pages to a USB drive. You can save them in editable text format, MP3 audio, or JPEG images. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and connect to the internet. While Hark AI is reading, you can control it in different methods. Method 1. Using buttons on the base. Press the front right side button to pause or resume reading. Press the front left side button to repeat the last sentence. Use the volume slider in the middle to increase or decrease the volume. Use the two cuffed buttons on the right side to make the reading faster or slower. Second method, using the keypad. Big round button in the center is the help button. It tells you how to use any button on the keypad. On the right side of help button is the spell button. Press it to hear the spelling of the correct word. On the left side of help button is the voice button. Press it to change the voice or language. The round button at the top is used to pause or resume reading. There are 4 arrows button around the pause button. Use them to move by sentence, by word or by paragraph. Below the help button is a square button. Press it to save a page for later reading. On the right side of that button, there is another square button. This one is used to recall a saved page or read it again. Want to change the voice or language? Press the voice button on the keypad to change the voice, or on the base, press the play pause button and volume speed decrease button to change the voice.
ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें shopforspecials.com को। मोबाइल नंबर 9891745757।